We all need fresh, energized air and the health benefits that come with it. Think about how great you feel just stepping outside and breathing in that fresh air. Science has been telling us for decades that indoor air, no matter how clean your home is, can have negative effects on our health. Using organic energy, AirRestore is the only portable-sized device that can bring that energized freshness of outdoor air into your home. Organic energy is a breakthrough technology that replicates the energetic environmental restoration process happening outdoors. It is essential for healthy minds, bodies, and living environments. You would be surprised by how many medical and behavioral issues can be minimized or virtually eliminated by exposure to natural energized air. The spike in diabetes, cancer, and allergies can be traced to the environment. Plus, AirRestore is the ultimate in natural odor control and breaking down pollutants on a molecular level. It keeps the smells, bacteria, viruses, mold, and allergens under control. After you plug in your AirRestore and it goes to work on the initial cleanup of your environment, it will maintain an area of up to 800 square feet. This means the air is ready to deal with new challenges immediately, and all for less than a penny a day in electricity. A penny. Let's face it. Mother Nature rocks, so why not follow in her footsteps? If you are looking to naturally balance your indoor air and have a healthier home for your family, while eliminating odors and saving on electricity, then AirRestore is the perfect fit for you.